is Dhitya.
You want to say anything for her?
We are really fortunate and happy for and would like to thank India Book of Records for considering her, giving her an opportunity, and we are proud that she is a record holder now at India Book of Records, and she's very smart right from childhood. Like, she grasps things very quickly, and at the age of just 3 years she has identified more than 100 words, covering all the fruits, vegetables, animals, birds. Even when we explore places, right, like whichever place we visit, like even after coming home after weeks, like she will tell all the places which we visited. So
फादर कैसे आपने इंस्पायर किया इतनी छोटी बच्ची को 3 साल और आई थिंक 12 दिन की? आप बताएं आपने कैसे इनके साथ हो किया?
we are really proud of our daughter. She is very talented right from childhood. She likes to explore the places, and whatever she sees around the world, right, like she grasps very quickly. So that is where like we started training her, and she identified more than 100 objects, including vegetables, fruits, animals, flowers.
Lesser time.
Yeah, within a very short time, and not even a single word she will spell it wrongly.
Okay.
Whatever we show it randomly, right, she will immediately identify it. All the unique names of vegetables, animals, fruits. So we are really fortunate of
that's very good. And how talented she is. Like from where did you get the inspiration to make this record?
We had joined her in EuroKids, where they started, they have a concept of wow words. Every day they will teach her one unique word. Okay. So then, since she was identifying all the vegetables and fruits, then a thought came to mind to us, and like we immediately ordered all the flashcards and we started training, but she grasped very fastly and she was identifying everything. So luckily we were fortunate to have her record holder in India Book of Records.
Right. From where did you get to learn about India Book of Records?
Via internet itself. Like I saw some other students performing at India Book of Records. Then I visited the YouTube channel, came to know more about it, and then when I visited the website, then I got more details and sent our application, and we were fortunate that she got selected.
She got selected. Right. How old is she right now?
3 years and 20 days or so.
Okay. Dhitya Praveen. But is she studying somewhere?
Yeah, currently she is studying in EuroKids. We have enrolled in EuroKids for nursery.
Okay. Can you share us the journey and preparation that led to the incredible feat of being the fastest to identify 100 flashcards at the age of 3?
As I mentioned earlier too, like her grasping power is very good. So right from like she explored the entire India when she was like 1 year 3 months old. All the major popular places. So that is where like even after going home after a 1 week or 2 weeks, she used to identify each and every place. She used to remember the places and she used to convey.
Okay.
So that is what made us like, okay, we should think something which she can identify in a short duration of time and covering multiple things. So we thought of all the vegetables, fruits, animals, and she was quick enough to grasp everything, and she identified.
She memorizes each and everything. And every place, where did you visit?
Yes. If you can ask, like, Dhitya, do you remember where all we visited in Dubai? Can you tell? Where all we went?
Which was the tall building that we visited in Dubai? What's the name of that tall building?
Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa. And
Where did we buy dates?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
There was
Okay.
a circle building, right? What is it called?
Museum.
Museum of the Future.
Museum. Okay.
And about a frame?
Dubai flame.
That's very nice. और हम लोगों को actually we inspire people to get the records and to achieve something more, which is different from other children also. So that we are very proud of that thing. And what do you expect from another 2 years? What she can achieve?
We don't have any specific target in mind. Like we have left her free, like explore the world.
Do
Whatever she
anything.
can grasp.
She can do anything.
Yes, she can do anything. Like as I told, like her grasping power is very good. So we are.
We are here to support you and your daughter also. And she loves to travel.
Yes, she loves a lot traveling.
So in the next few years, we would love to hear something more from you.
Sure, definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. So we thank India Book of Records for providing the opportunity and making her as a record holder in India Book of Records.
Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you.